2005 Nissan Frontier, 6-speed manual transmission, fluid change. Up on the side of the case is the fill plug. It's a 10mm Allen head. It's really, really tight. Make sure you can get it off first before you drain the fluid, because if you can't get this off, then it's game over. Let's see if we can get this thing down. There we go. So, take down the fill plug. This fluid don't look too bad in there. And then we take down the 10mm drain plug now to drain it. After you break the bottom nut free, it's pretty easy to take out. Just spin it out by hand. Make sure you got a drain bucket underneath. And that's pretty clear. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay. Well, the reverse procedure is to put the drain plug back in, fill it up through the side up there. You're going to need some type of like filter neck extension for the bottle. You're going to want to fill it with, let's get the stuff that we want to fill it with. That's a lot. Redline MT90 GL4. This vehicle calls for GL4 specific. GL4 gear oil. $75.90. Check your manual.